Hello everyone, this is Archi. Today I'm going to expose some great things. So guys, let's start. Many says that, guys, don't admit in architecture. If you ask them why, they'll must reply about cost, fitness and energy, strictness, no specific subject, or for imagination. Then Menion does level up his nonsense. They say that, what is architecture? It's the worst subject ever. Please don't admit. Wait guys, these all are a big nonsense. Yes, it's true that those all are important. Cost is a big issue of architecture. This field is full of strictness. You have to forget about your sleep, rest, past friend circles and family. You have to flow over imagination world, where architectural motivations belongs in everywhere. Have to grow up your personality. Have to focus on your works only. And have to be the hunter of archaeologies. Because there are no specific subject and no specific knowledge. Your knowledge level will be represent your design quality. But guys, nothing is more than important your passion and patience level. Passion and patience is important for every part of our life if we want to success. So, set your focus and run with your passion, which depends on your passions. Remember, architecture begins where engineering ends. So guys, stay hunting and happy journey. Best of luck.
We're architects, with creative flair, redesigning the world, from buildings to chairs. It's a daily grind, but we love what we do. A satisfying job, giving you a better view.
Lord of the Elmers and king of scraps, making models out of paper and bottles.